In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the import HTML function in Google Sheets. So let's say you want to import some data like a table or list from a web page into your spreadsheet. All you have to use is the import HTML function. Let's get started. So first we have the formula right here. We have your URL, your query, your index, and your locale. We'll try and figure them out as we do the formula. Let's start with our equal sign. Type in import, select import HTML from the drop-down menu. Let's start with our URL, and we're always going to put in an open quotation mark. So this is the data that we want to import into our spreadsheet. So we have the list of US presidents, and we're just going to copy the address or the URL and input it in our formula. Closing quotation marks, comma. Now for our query, this can be a table or a list. So we're going to stick to a table, comma. Our index would be the number of table. We only have one table on this web page, so we're just going to put 1. And for our locale, we can leave this blank because this is already in default, depending on what is on the web page. So if you just press enter, you have imported the data or the table from that web page. So there's some empty spaces or some columns that you don't want to include into your table. So all we have to do is to put in a query function at the beginning. So this is our data. And now for our query, comma, open quotation mark, put in select, column 3, column 4, column 7, and column 8. Closing quotation marks. And there you have it. We have limited the columns that we want to import from that web page. And that's how easy it is to use the import HTML function in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.